Welcome to Byw'n Iach Glaslyn. Today what I'm going to do is I'm going to take you around the leisure centre to show you exactly what's changed. For example, these signs here. Now if you just follow me and we'll go to the next step. And what you'll notice is that we've got hand sanitisers around the leisure centre. Okay, so just make sure that you take advantage of them as you come on through, and now we'll go to the next step, which is the reception. As you walk in, what you'll notice is there are signs on the floor explaining to be 2 metres apart. Make sure that you are 2 metres apart. When you're coming through to the leisure centre to use the fitness room or our fitness classes, make sure you book online first. As you come on through, swipe your card in. Following the one-way signs down the corridor into the main hall, that's where we'll be holding our fitness classes, or you can just go to left here, up the stairs, and you'll be in the fitness room. What you'll notice is there are signs for a one-way system around the gym, and also that some machines have been turned off to make sure that you and staff are safe whilst you are working out. Remember that you must clean the machines after using. When you've finished your fitness class, you'll be leaving this way into the car park. And there we go, we're just looking forward to welcome you back to Glaslyn.